Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Testerup to your Cash App. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is withdraw the money from your Testerup to your bank account or your PayPal because there is no direct way that you can use to transfer the money from your Testerup to your Cash App. But don't worry, I will show you the secret way that you can use to transfer money from your Testerup to your Cash App. So first thing you need to do is withdraw the money from your Testerup. So just logged in your Testerup app and then make sure you have earned at least 70 plus dollars because the minimum withdrawal threshold is $70. You can't withdraw money if you have less than $70. So first you have to reach this threshold, and once you have reached it, you need to click on this payout option. Then on the screen you can see the balance that you have earned in your Testerup and all the revenue history, such as how much you have earned on the specific date. So from here you have to click on this verify yourself button. Then it will take you to this screen where you need to verify yourself. So you just have to click on this start verification now button at the bottom, and then it will open up your selfie camera. Then you need to take a selfie, so make sure you have taken a selfie in well lit background and in the lighting, because if it doesn't detect your face, it will automatically reject your identity or the verification process. So you just have to make sure that you have taken the clear photo, and after that your verification will be successfully verified. So after that you will see this option request payout, so just click on it. Now once you click on it, it will ask you to select your country. So just click on this drop down and select your country, and then click on this next button because this will be useful for the payout options. After that this will open up this screen. From here you have to choose a payment method. So as of now it has only PayPal, so you just have to withdraw your money to your PayPal. So just click on this payout now option at the bottom. Then you need to fill your personal details such as your first name, last name, street and number, postal code, city, and the most important, your PayPal email address. So make sure you enter all of these details accurately, because if you mistakenly type anything wrong, your payout will be stuck. So make sure you enter all the details correctly. And once you have filled up these details, you need to click on this next button. After that it will ask you to enter your VAT number. So if you have your tax number, you can simply enter in this box, but if you don't have any VAT number, you can simply leave it blank and then click on this next button. Then on the screen you have to check on this checkbox and then again click on this next button. So if you have followed all of these steps correctly, then your withdraw request will be submitted and you will get your money in your PayPal account in next few days. So once you received your money in PayPal, you need to open up your PayPal app and then log in your account. Then you need to click on this wallet icon from the bottom. Then on the screen you will see your PayPal balance that is available in your account. So you just have to click on it, just like it is showing me the $15. It will show the amount of your account, so just click on it. After that you will see these two options, add money and transfer. So you have to tap on this transfer button. Then a window will pop up with the three options. First is transfer to bank, transfer to PayPal savings, and transfer internationally. So you just have to click on this transfer to bank first option. Then on the screen, first you have to select the amount that you want to transfer in your bank account. So just click on this pencil icon and enter the amount. After this you have to select your transfer speed. So if you are in hurry or if you want to receive your money fastly, you can select this first option. It will deliver your money in minutes, but keep in mind that this method will cost you 25 cents as a fee. But if you can wait, you can choose this second option, which will take 1 to 3 business days, but it has no fee. So just select accordingly. After that you need to in this section you need to select your bank account that is blurred right here. So on this section you have to select your bank account. So if it doesn't automatically select it, you can click on this change button and then add your new bank account and then select it right here. Now once you have selected all of these options, all you need to do is click on this transfer button at the bottom, and after that you will receive your money as you have chosen in your transfer speed. So if you chosen the first method, you will get your money in minutes, but if you chosen the second method, you have to wait 1 to 3 business days. So once you received your money in bank account, you need to open up your cash app. Now first we have to link a same bank account that we have used to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. So we have to link that same bank account in our cash app. So just first open up your cash app and then click on the profile icon at the top. After that you have to click on this links banks option. Now if you haven't linked any bank account to your cash app, it will show you the link bank option. So just click on it and then it will ask you to select your bank account from the several listed banks. So just select it and then enter your banking details and your bank account will be connected to your cash app. After that you need to again open up your cash app and then this time you have to click on this balance that is showing at the bottom. It can show you the home icon or the balance depending on your version of your cash app. So just click on it, then this will take you to this screen. So from here you have to click on this add money button. Now once you click on it, it will show you this window. So from here you have to select the amount that you want to add in your cash app. You can select any amount from here, such as $10, $25, $50, $100, or any predefined amount. But if you want to enter the amount by yourself, you can click on these three dots at the end, then it will show you this screen. So from here you can enter the amount by yourself. So from here you can add any whatever amount you want, such as 25.99. So just enter amount and then click, and then it will ask you to choose a payment method. So you have to choose the same bank account as a payment method that we have linked earlier to your cash app. So just select this that bank account as a payment method and then complete the transfer. And once you do that, your money will be transferred to your cash app. So that is how you can transfer money from Testerup to your cash app. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions, so you can write down in comments. I will try to answer it.